I got my 1976 International high lift coal truck. I got my 1952 Dodge 3/4 ton pickup. And then a 1924 Model TT 1-ton truck. Well, I started with this one. I bought it to take it apart. All I wanted was the scissor lift off it. Well, I went to the auction. This truck's pretty nice. Saw it was too nice, couldn't take it apart. And it's been retired since. Well, went from workhorse to toy. This one, I'm sitting in science class one day, and my science teacher says, "Why don't you come over to the farm? My brothers used to collect stuff, and they both passed on. You might find something you like." Well, they had over 200 vehicles on their property, and I came home with a pickup. It was a bucket of bolts when I bought it. It was terrible. Yep. So then, taking the seat for this truck to the upholstery shop, and going up the road, that Model T is sitting on a dealer lot.
On a dealer lot?
Yep, the car automatically went like this.
Right.
And it followed us home. So, what do you do?
So you're dealing with different decades. What do they all like to drive?
Oh, they're a blast. This one is a cake to drive. It's easy, it turns on a dime, you can park it anywhere. It's fun. It's just terrible on gas, 4 miles to the gallon.
Sure.
It's mile per mile.
Yeah.
This one, it's a 3 on the tree. I don't know if you're familiar, but once you get the hang of it, it's easy. But if you don't know, it's interesting. We'll say that.
Right.
That one there, if you have big feet, good luck, because you have a clutch pedal, a reverse pedal, and then a brake pedal. Well, you go to hit that reverse pedal, you're basically hitting all 3 pedals at once. They're so close together.
Any breakdown stories? Any kind of major? Have they all been good for you?
No, of course not. They're all trucks are trouble. That's what my Grammy always said. So this one has a 12-gallon gas tank under the seat. I've ran out of gas in this truck more often than I could count. You do the math on the odometer, 12 gallons, 4 miles to the gallon, you should get 48 miles. That might be on flat land. Don't pull any hills, don't put any weight in the back, or you're sucking through that gasoline. This one, I brought it last year. I didn't have it finished. Taking it off the trailer over in the laydown yard, dies on me. Now I'm stuck half on the trailer, half off the trailer. My shift linkage jammed up. Okay, there's a nice guy right next to me unloading. He has a rollback. Picks me up, plops me in the for sale line over there. He's like, "There you go, at least you're out of the way now." Well, I spent the whole show last year over there. But I got it fixed now. Now it runs, drives, stops, starts.
Yeah.
So that one, the Model T, it just keeps going. It actually came optioned as electric start too. If you get a dead battery, you're never in trouble.
Yeah.
You just crank. Same with this one. There's a little hole in the grill. There's a hand crank behind the seat. You're never stuck. And they all have names. This is Miss Cherry. I'm sure you can figure out why. This cab was full of chestnuts when I bought the truck, so it's chestnut. And then my mom named Stanley. If you're familiar with the movie Cars, you gotta love Stanley.
That's fitting. Yeah.
I love the show. I'm happy we made 1,000 trucks this year. It's phenomenal. And I've never met a grouchy person at a truck show.